Franklin, now almost to Boston in this particular band. The one to the south, the very, very heaviest amounts. New Bedford is now getting into. Clearly, you can see along Route 140 on 18. Improvement in terms of the snow coming to an end, but remember the wind is still ramping up and the blowing and drifting will be very significant. So as we get to the end of this by early this afternoon, there's that little area along the southern Maine, southern New Hampshire, and northeast corner of Massachusetts of over 18 inches. Otherwise, I'd say somewhere close to the 128, 45, or 495 belt in is where you'll see a foot or more with the amount.
And this view where things by the afternoon, the fence will probably not even be visible at all. Maybe more like this mobile home in Peabody, which is totally MIA right now. I'm going to pull it up. I mean, really? That is just completely buried. You see some tree branches sticking.
It's a pretty little cardinal. This is the view from our driveway, from our garage. I'm standing in the garage right at the moment. Can you hear the wind? It is howling. It is crazy. I tried to clear our walkway, which they will do here at the ledges for us, and I didn't get very far at all. I literally got a couple of feet in, and there's no place to put the snow. So someone taller than I am, or with a better equipment, will have to do that. This is our walk into our front door. It's crazy, crazy, crazy.